Aloha everybody, welcome back. Mahalo for watching. My name is Gabe. We're going to take a flight inside Fissure 8. Now you can see a real estate sign right there. You could probably buy that property. We're taking off from Leilani Avenue. And my buddy Jeremiah from Strange Hawaii is flying. I want to thank Jeremiah. Go check out his channel. I'll provide a link in the description box. Now we're flying over the solidified lava river, looking at Fissure 8. And I'd say that's probably about 10 to 15 feet deep. The different elevation, you know, in the ground. And now we're getting closer to the mouth of the river. And that's Fissure 8 right there. Now we're in the canyon. And on the side you can see that red rock. That is actually iron that's rusting. There's a little bit of iron in this rock. Now we're looking right at the mouth of the river. That is Fissure 8. Looking inside Fissure 8. And like I was saying, Fissure 8 is at least 110 feet tall to the rim. And let's see if there's any lava. Okay, I see some steam. Now let's see. I don't see any lava. It's probably still hot. There's definitely steam, but no lava. Okay, so that's good to know. Now lava definitely will be back in this area. And whose guess, you know, who's to say when? It's whoever's guess. It's going to be interesting though, for sure. And we'll be prepared. Now we're looking at Mini 8. This was like a pool that was on the side of 8. And you can see the sides of the canyon have been collapsing, or the mouth of the river is collapsing. It formed these canyons. And now we're looking back at Fissure 8. Now we're looking deeper in Fissure 8. Now we're inside Fissure 8. You can see the Pohoihoi lava. That looks pretty fresh. Or, you know, maybe 50 days ago it was flowing. Now we're flying outside of the mouth of the river. So we're leaving the mouth of Fissure 8. We're leaving Fissure 8, flying towards the lava river. You can see the canyon. I thought this would be a cool video. I wanted Jeremiah to fly his drone inside there because it's like Star Wars, like Tatooine or something, right? It's really cool looking. It's beautiful. And you can see the edge. You see the different elevations. You know, that's probably at least a 15-foot, maybe even 20-foot difference in the elevation of the ground. And now we're just flying and following the river down towards the ocean. Now the environment in Leilani has definitely changed. This area is a lot more windy. There's a lot more wind. Residents have noticed. Now we're looking at Fissure 8 and a couple other fissures in the background, and we're going to do a slow pan. You can see the ocean and the river and Leilani and the mass plant die-off. You can see the community center right there with a telephone or a cell phone tower. And you can see the destruction that SO2 gases and lava and acid rain have done. And we're looking uprift to a bunch of different fissures. Now we're looking towards the ocean. That would be towards Pohiki, right there. And wow, that's an amazing view. Now I think Jeremiah should get a variable ND filter so he doesn't have problems with the exposure. The sun is so bright in Hawaii, and editing it is very difficult. So now we're looking at Fissure 11 and 12. I'm going to fly over the fissure system from the beginning, which is actually 11. Fissure 11 is the beginning. Now we're flying over 10. Now we're flying over Fissure 9. Now I believe this will be Fissure 24, and then we're obviously right there's Fissure 8. I don't know all of the fissures, some of them have been covered up, so yeah, it's hard to say. Now we're landing. That's me and Jeremiah and his dog Monster. It's kind of a smooth landing. There we go. Are we about to land? Landed! We made it. What are you doing? You eating grass? Sniffing stuff? Sniff, sniff?
They love everything. Geckos, crickets.
Want some water? Yeah? Oh, you're a cutie, Monster.
Probably because I didn't update it.
Coming in for a crash landing. Low battery landing.
Where's it going?
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Where's it going? Hey!
Right?
Where are you going? Can you look down?
One last look at the Fissure line.
My ankles are in the shade, so I can ask for on a day like today. Got plenty of sun and no rain. I don't know if you can see the heat waves coming off the black lava. Lava rock is super hot all the time in the sun. Like, it would be hard to walk out there. It'd be hot, real hot right now. You can see the heat waves coming off. The lava. You could buy this property right here. It's a little close to Fissure 8. I'd say a little too close for me. Yeah, a little too close. Jeremiah's about to fly the drone.
Broken.
What happened?
The controller.
It's broken?
It's not it is not changing the exposure.
We are having technical difficulties.
Every time I come here, there's something wrong with the spring. Monster, stop it.
What are you trying to do?
Change the exposure.
What does it look like now? That's not too bad. That's fine.
Look, every time we come here, we get that freaking weird glitches through it. Let's see the ISO.
I hear something humming. Hey guys. Woo! Hey Monster. Monster. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Want a treat, Monster? Yeah. Sorry, I don't have anything for you. All I got is pets. You take pets? Yeah, oh yeah. You like pets?
My chin look good?
Your fro. It's the fro, man.
I didn't even comb it, you woke me up so early.
You gotta start getting up earlier, man.
7 o'clock, that's like normal.
Yeah, I guess for working at a restaurant, that's actually quite early. If you work nights at a restaurant. Okay, y'all. Hooey ho! Check out Jeremiah's
Hawaii.
YouTube channel, Strange Hawaii. I'll provide a link. And until next time, hooey ho!